Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. Orlando Pirates have completed the signing of young goalkeeper Dublin Boone from Stellenbosch FC. Dublin, who's just 21 years old, joined the Cape Winelands side from Wellington Phoenix in New Zealand in August 2025 and was mainly used as a backup goalkeeper for the club's DStv Disci Challenge side. He was understood to be included in a major swap deal that could have seen Dublin Boone and Faiz Abraham join the Buccaneers, with Orlando Pirates attacking midfielder Kabelo Dlamini moving to Stellenbosch. However, the deal collapsed due to Dlamini opting against the switch, and Faiz Abraham has since completed a move to Kaizer Chiefs. Now, the 21-year-old put pen to paper on a 3-year deal with the club, with Orlando Pirates recently losing Melusi Buthelezi to Sekhukhune United. And Boone will form part of Orlando Pirates' goalkeeping department that is led by Sipho Chain, and have Siyabonga Dladla as a backup goalkeeper and Ethan Versace as part of the squad also. Now, let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of Orlando Pirates signing the 21-year-old goalkeeper Dublin Boone? Do you think that is a good move? Let me hear your thoughts down below in the comment section. And in other news, Bafana defender Tylon Smith has completed a move to Major League Soccer side New England Revolution. Tylon, who's just 21 years old, joined the English Championship side Queen's Park Rangers after his exploit at the Under-20 African Cup of Nations in 2025. Where South Africa won the tournament and he was named player of the tournament. And he also represented South Africa at the Under-20 FIFA World Cup that was hosted in Chile. Tylon Smith came through the youth ranks at Stellenbosch. However, he never made a senior appearance for the club. Before he was signed by QPR, he was still playing for Stellenbosch FC DStv Disci Challenge, the reserve side. However, he has struggled for game time at QPR, and now he's set to follow the likes of Oluwatu Makhanya and Mbekezeli Mbokazi to the MLS. Here is a statement from the MLS side. It says, "The New England Revolution have acquired central defender Tylon Smith on loan from Queen's Park Rangers FC through the 2027 MLS sprint season, with an option to purchase." And New England Revolution General Manager and Chief Soccer Officer Chris Tierney said this: "Tylon Smith is a promising player who will help strengthen our defense." At just 21 years old, Tylon has built a strong foundation through both his club and youth national team experience. We are confident that this is the ideal environment for Tylon to continue his development, and we look forward to welcoming him to New England. That's the statement from New England Revolution as they announced the signing of Tylon Smith. Now, let me hear your thoughts. Do you think that this is a good move for him to move to the MLS? And overall, what do you think of these transfers? That's the end of the news for now. See you next time.